Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 5 of the course Management Information System. So this week consists of 10 number of questions. We will solve it from question number 1. Question number 1 is which of the following things influence the amount of inventory to be maintained? Options are demand, suppliers reliability, lead time, all of these. So according to the lecture material, you will find that here you can read the inventory to be maintained depends on demand, lead time, quality of material, supply reliability, alternative material or sources. So the answer for this question will be A, B, C and D. That is all of these. So question number 1, option D will be the correct one. Okay. Question number 2 is what does the bill of material BOM include? Options are only finished products, list of production schedules, list of all components required for a product, list of quality control measures. Okay, so again according to the lecture material, you can read here. uh, Bill of material, that is BOM, is a complete formally structured list which make up the components of a product. Okay, so for making components of a product, that is mentioned in option number C. Okay, so the answer for this question will be option C, list of all components required for a product. Moving to the next question. Question number 3 is which department generates a material withdrawal slip? Options are sales department, warehouse department, production department and procurement department. So the answer will be production department. You can easily read here. To require these materials, production department generates a material withdrawal slip. Okay, so production material department is in the option number C. So for question number 3, option C will be the correct answer. Question number 4 is which sort of the data can be processed by marketing information systems, that is MKIS, to access the appropriate information to be used for decision making. Options are profitability and organizational policies, sales figures, past trends, both B and C. So according to lecture material, you can read here the last one point, government policies to get the useful information that can be utilized by manager for taking decisions. Okay, so the answer for this question will be organizational policies, or you can say government policies, option number A. Moving to the next one, what document certifies the number of units of a product received and available for sales? Options are production order, goods scripts document, sales invoice, inventory report. So the answer for this question will be production order. Okay, in the last point, after production has created the products, it updates the production order specifying that as planned a specific number of units of product can now be shipped to the warehouse. So the option production order is in A. So the answer for this question will be option number A. Question number 6 is which of the following are the primary objectives of MIS for material materials management. Options are to maintain up-to-date stocks of all materials, to immediately respond to any changes in the production plan, to respond to changes in the demand pattern, or all of these. So the information system for materials management, the primary objectives are to maintain up-to-date stocks of all materials, to immediately respond to any changes in the production plan due to and the third one is to respond to changes in the demand pattern or actual production by generating delivery schedules and purchase orders for suppliers. So the answer for this question will be option number D, that is all the mentioned above, A, B, C. Okay. Question number 7 is what is the main function of materials requirement planning, that is MRP. Options are to reduce manufacturing costs, to monitor stocks and determine material requirements, to manage human resources, to develop a new production technologies. So the answer for this question will be option number B, that is here you can read point number 2, that is to determine which material you need in what quantity at time and okay, monitor stocks and read number point number 1, to monitor stocks and to determine which material you need in what quantity at the time. So the answer for this question will be to monitor stocks and determine material requirements, that is mentioned in option number B. So the answer for this question will be option number B. Okay. So students, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. If this video helps you, then please like the video and please share it with needy ones. Question number 8 is which of the following quality management process is are supported during production? Options are inspection during production, statistical, process control, test equipment calibration, all of these. Okay. So answer for this question will be all of these. Statement is mentioned here. Following quality management processes are supported during production. Options are inspection during production, statistical, process control, and test equipment calibration. So option number D will be the answer. Question number 9 is what are the following quality management processes supported by information system for quality management? Options are delivering material as per customers quality specification, quality certificate, quality inspection for delivery, all of these. So you can read here the options are delivering material as per customers quality specification, quality certificate, batch tracking, batch determination, quality inspection for delivery. So the answer for this question will be again option number D. Okay, all of these. Last question is which type of information is required for determining the location of new production facilities? Options are operational information, tactical information, strategic information, and financial information. So the answer for this question will be strategic information. Location of new production facilities comes under location of new production facilities comes under strategic strategic information. Okay, so now submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.